Welcome back to my channel. This is the Queen Phoenix. Today's video is on how do you join your chain stitches without twisting them. First of all, I'll show you the first method. Make a slip knot on the yarn you're going to use to work with, and let's chain a few, not too many, say up to about 30, right? If you're going to try this. Now, what I do self-consciously, well, unconsciously, looking at the chain that you've made, run your thumb all the way down. So that keeps it straight. And then I simply slip into my last chain stitch until I have it on my hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. I have been doing that for many years, so I never even realized that my chain does not twist. The second way, which I feel is a better way, especially when you have an extremely long set of chain stitches, for example 50 upwards. One of the best ways I find to do that is to make it, when you make your chain, your slip knot, chain 10. Leave a long tail and pull out your hook. Go to the first chain you made. Insert your hook into the very first chain. And go back and insert your hook into the last chain that you made, your working loop. And it'll look like that. Now, you will continue to make your chain. You can even make about 20 chain and also then put it on your hook. But let's just make enough chain here so that you can see why it does not get twisted. Right, so that's the amount of chain I've made. I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to go through both loops. Look at that, not twisted at all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit subscribe, like, share, follow, tag me in a video that you make. Thank you so much for watching. I'll get you on the next video. Queen Phoenix out.